Andis Head Styler 20-piece clipper kit features a powerful high-speed clipper that easily cuts wet or dry hair. The adjustable stainless steel blade provides maximum control over your style, perfect for fades and more. With the Andis Head Styler, you decide. Packed with everything you need to cut hair at home, this 20-piece kit delivers. With an adjustable blade clipper, 12 attachment combs, barber comb, tapered comb, scissors, blade guard, brush and oil, all neatly stored in a protective, sturdy case.
You know the look you want, and Remington makes it so easy to get it with the versatile new Rapid Cut Turbo, Remington's quickest self-cut ever.